What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be baking some quarter chicken. First, we're going to start by marinating it in some mojito. We are going to be using the whole entire bottle. If you guys want to make some from scratch, do so. Next, we will be moving on to some cream of chicken. We are going to be using this entire can. And now for some sazon completo, because you guys know that I cannot deal without. And now for some garlic powder. Y'all might think that this is way too much, but to me, this is just enough. Now for some garlic and herbs with some red flakes, which I absolutely love. It gives the chicken a really nice kick, but yet subtle. Now it's time to give it a really good mix and cover it up overnight in the refrigerator. And now that they've been marinating in there for a little bit over 16 hours, it's time to remove our chicken from the refrigerator and place them into our oven. I already have it preheated at 400 degrees and we're gonna let it bake for an hour and a half. And take a look at this. This chicken came out amazing, tasted delicious, and was literally falling off the bone. If you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time.